Your roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements. In Plymouth's ever-changing climate, where harsh winters, heavy rains, and coastal winds are common, it's essential to know when your roof is signaling distress. Ignoring early warning signs can lead to expensive repairs or even full replacement. Here are the most important signs that your Plymouth roof needs immediate attention. Missing or damaged shingles. One of the most obvious signs of roof trouble is missing, cracked, or curled shingles. Over time, exposure to strong winds, heavy rain, and snow can loosen or damage shingles, leaving your roof vulnerable to leaks. If you notice patches of your roof where shingles are missing or see granules collecting in your gutters, it's time to act. Even a small area of damage can allow water to seep beneath the surface and compromise the roof's structure. Leaks or water stains indoors. If you spot water stains on your ceilings or walls, it's a clear signal that your roof has a leak. Moisture may enter through small cracks, damaged flashing, or deteriorated underlayment. Left unchecked, leaks can lead to mold growth, rotting wood, and weakened insulation. In Plymouth's damp weather, moisture spreads fast, so if you see discoloration, bubbling paint, or a musty smell, schedule a roof inspection immediately. Sagging roof deck. A sagging roof is one of the most severe warning signs that structural damage has occurred. This often means that the roof's decking is saturated with moisture or that the supporting beams are deteriorating. Sagging areas can quickly collapse under heavy snow or rain, creating a serious safety hazard. If your roofline looks uneven or you notice a dip when standing at the curb, call a roofing professional right away. Moss, mold, or algae growth. Plymouth's humid coastal air creates the perfect environment for moss and algae to thrive. While these green or black streaks may seem cosmetic, they actually trap moisture against your shingles, causing them to deteriorate faster. Moss can lift shingles and allow water to penetrate, leading to rot and leaks. Regular cleaning and professional treatment can prevent long-term damage, but if growth is extensive, it's a sign your roof is already compromised. Damaged flashing or chimney seals. Flashing, thin metal strips installed around chimneys, vents, and skylights, prevents water from seeping into joints. Over time, flashing can crack, rust, or pull away from the roof due to temperature changes and age. Once it fails, leaks are inevitable. If you notice loose metal around your chimney or rust stains near roof joints, it's a red flag that requires immediate repair. Higher energy bills. A roof that's no longer properly sealed can allow heat to escape during winter and trap unwanted heat during summer. If your energy bills have spiked unexpectedly, your roof's insulation or ventilation may be failing. Poor ventilation can also accelerate the deterioration of roofing materials, shortening your roof's lifespan. Granule loss and aging. Roof materials. Shingles are coated with protective granules that shield your roof from UV rays and weather damage. As the roof ages, these granules loosen and end up in gutters or at the base of downspouts. Excessive granule loss exposes the asphalt underneath, leading to cracking and brittleness. If your roof is over 20 years old, or you notice bald patches on shingles, it may be nearing the end of its service life. Interior drafts are light through the attic. Climb into your attic on a sunny day and look up. If you see daylight coming through the roof boards, there's a problem. Gaps or holes in your roofing allow not only light but also cold air, pests, and moisture to enter. This weakens your insulation and can lead to mold and wood rot. Final thoughts. Don't wait to act. In Plymouth's coastal environment, roofing issues can escalate quickly. What starts as a minor leak today could become major water damage tomorrow. Regular inspections, especially after severe weather, can catch small problems before they grow. If you notice any of these signs, missing shingles, leaks, sagging areas, or unusual energy bills, contact a trusted Plymouth roofing contractor for a professional assessment. Acting early not only protects your home but also saves you from costly future repairs.